Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a travel phone tripod. So you see inside right here they mention what you can use the product for. So you can definitely use it for your smartphone, camera, or your GoPro. And right here in the bottom they do provide you guys information in terms of what is actually included. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open it up, that is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Next up right here they provide you guys one of the accessories. They provide you guys the accessory that you can use to mount the GoPro. They provide you guys the accessory for you guys to mount your phone. So basically unscrew on the bottom part right here. And this part right here is where you guys want to set up the phone. So basically want to loosen up the top right here. And then put your phone on here and clamp it back up. Just like that. And then for the back part right here is where you guys want to loosen it up. So that way you can turn this part right here if you guys do need to. And once you guys want to keep it right there, you basically want to lock it. Once you guys lock it, you guys can't move it anymore. So that is basically how you guys use the phone accessory. Next up right here, they provide you guys a strap that you can put onto the remote. And right here is basically the remote control that you can use for the shutter button. So inside right here, they do have a switch for you to turn it on. And that will connect it via Bluetooth. But once you guys are done, you can turn it off. And I'm assuming for the back part right here is basically the battery compartment for you to replace it if you guys do need to. But there should be a battery inside already. And then right here they do provide you guys a bag. And it does have this drawstring option for you guys to make it tighter. So you definitely have the option to put all your accessories inside and the tripod itself when you guys want to bring it along for traveling or something. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product. So take off the wrapper first. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see inside right here they do have the brand logo. And right here they do provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Top part right here is basically where you guys can screw on each different accessories, or you can screw on your camera directly onto here. On the side right here we do have the option for you to loosen up. So that way you can raise this part up and down. And once you guys want to lock it, you basically want to turn the other way. And that will lock it in place. This part right here on top, they do have an option for you to tighten up. So that way you can screw it on really easy. And then for the middle part right here is basically where you want to turn it to unlock the ring. They basically have the option to pull this part right here. And it does go pretty far. So once you guys fully extend it, this is basically how far it can go. And you do have the option to adjust this part right here to make it shorter if you guys do want to. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. But you see how long it can go when you guys do it fully extended. They mentioned the max length that's on here should be 62 inch. But for the bottom part right here is basically the feet. So the way how it's opened up is very easy. You basically want to pull it open the bottom. Just like that. And once you guys do open it, you have to pull it all the way down. So definitely have the option to angle it how you guys want to for the bottom of the feet. And if you guys look very carefully on the bottom, they do have like the non-slip material on all three sides. So that way when you guys do set it up, it won't move around. But you see how far the product can go when you guys do set it up. So it will give you guys a really good foundation and good setup when you guys do use it. And then once you have it done, you have to pull it back up. And it's all set. And it's really cool the way how they designed the product. It basically works as a tripod and it also works as a selfie stick as well. And basically what this accessory is for that I showed you guys in the beginning, let me show you how to use it. So basically I want to pull this part out. So once you guys kind of extend it out, you basically want to clip this part in the back. Just like that. And basically what that does is allow you guys to put the remote control right here. So that way you always have easy access for remote. And once you guys are done, you have to take it off really easy. Just like that. But now let's set the phone to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. So pretty much what you guys want to do is go like this. You basically want to use this part right here to tighten up. Once you guys got that set up, you guys can put your phone on here. So like I mentioned, you guys want to loosen this part up. And let's get the phone on here. So once you guys got it in, you basically want to tighten it up. Once you guys got it in, now you can start using it. If you see when you guys do use it, it definitely has a very good grip. So it will not fall off when you guys do use it. So if you guys want to angle the bottom part right here, feel free to do so. So once you guys do set it up, this is basically what the product looks like if you guys were to use it as a selfie stick. And if you guys do connect it to Bluetooth, let me show you guys how it works. So let's turn on the side right here and it's connected. Alright, so we got connected. So let's say for example, if I do take a selfie, if you see it does work. So having that shutter button on here is actually really helpful. So that way you get easy access from right here. And that way you guys don't have to press the button to do a selfie, which is pretty convenient. And obviously, like I mentioned, if you guys want to set it as a tripod, you definitely can. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality aluminum material if it's in here. But that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to set up and how to use it. Now let's go put this down on the ground to show you guys how tall the product is when you guys do use it, to give you guys an idea by side. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do put it on the ground. So this is basically how tall the product is when you guys do set it up. Like I mentioned, it is 62 inch. You can see how when I'm standing here side by side, you can definitely see how tall the product is. So whether if you guys want to use it for a selfie, for making videos, TikTok, or just taking photos in general, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But this is basically what the product looks like in terms of how long it is when you guys do set it up. And once you guys are done using it, you can put it away really easy. So just like this. So just like that, and it's all set. So very easy and very simple for you to use it and put it away as well. Alright, come back guys. So nice little quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. If you see how when I put it side by side next to me, it is pretty tall. So we'll give you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do use it for like selfie, maybe for like TikTok videos or whatever you guys want to use it for. That is totally up to you guys. But definitely having a tripod in general is actually really convenient and really helpful regardless of what you guys do end up using it for. Especially if you guys get something like this one where it's actually very small and compact, where you guys can just fold it back up to save a lot of space. It will definitely make your life so much easier for creating content or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality tripod that has a similar designs right here where it is foldable, it's very compact, very minimal, and give you guys all the accessories and options as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.